Stop scrolling for just a few seconds, because what you are about to hear today may sound simple, but it has silently changed the financial life of thousands of people. Have you ever noticed that no matter how hard you work, no matter how much effort you put in, money never stays with you for long? One unexpected expense comes, one small emergency happens, and suddenly your savings disappear. You feel tired, confused, and unlucky. You start asking yourself, why is money always running away from me? Why do others grow financially while I remain stuck? The truth is, it is not always about hard work. Sometimes, it is about energy, vibration, and hidden signals that control money flow in your life. And today, I am going to reveal one powerful numerology secret that most people ignore, a simple number that you can keep in your wallet to attract continuous money flow, stability, and financial peace. If you watch this video till the end, you may never look at your wallet the same way again. Welcome back to Zodiac Sign Revealed, where we talk about destiny, success, and hidden wealth signs. If you believe in spiritual energy and financial growth, make sure you subscribe and stay connected, because every video here is made to help you attract more abundance. Before we continue, comment "Money flows to me right now." This small action sets your intention and opens your mind to receive financial blessings. Now listen very carefully, because this is the heart of today's video and the part that can truly change your financial mindset if you understand it deeply. In numerology, every number carries a vibration, a frequency, and an invisible energy that influences your thoughts, habits, confidence, and financial destiny. Just like mobile signals and magnetic fields, these energies work silently in the background of your life. You may not see them, but you feel their effects in the form of stability, struggle, opportunities, losses, and sudden gains. Among all numbers, the most powerful number for wealth and authority is number 8, and this is not a coincidence. In ancient numerology systems, Chinese traditions, and spiritual mathematics, number 8 is considered the symbol of infinity, balance, discipline, and continuous money flow. Its shape has no beginning and no end, which represents endless income and repeated chances in life. If you feel connected to number 8, comment 8 right now in the comment section and lock this energy for yourself. Now, here is the practical method that you can start using from today. Take a small, clean piece of paper, preferably white, cream, or light yellow in color, because these colors represent clarity, purity, and fresh beginnings. On this paper, write the number 8 3 times slowly and carefully using blue, red, or black ink, and while writing, keep your mind calm and focused on one thought: I welcome stable and honest income into my life. After writing this, pause for a few seconds and feel gratitude. If you are ready to try this method sincerely, comment "ready" right now and make a promise to yourself. Then, below the numbers, write your full name and today's date, because this connects the energy of the number with your personal identity and present life path. This step is very important, so if you understand its power, comment "name connected" in the comments. After that, fold the paper neatly, without tearing it, and place it inside your wallet where you usually keep your cash. This paper will work like an energy reminder that keeps your financial intention active every single day. Now, let me explain something very important. This is not superstition and not blind magic. This method works mainly through mindset programming and subconscious conditioning. Every time you open your wallet and see that paper, your brain receives a signal that money is welcome, money is respected, and money is valuable. Slowly, your thinking changes, your fear reduces, and your confidence increases. You become more careful with spending, more focused on saving, and more courageous in earning. If you believe mindset controls income, comment "mindset equals money" right now. Over weeks and months, this small habit builds a strong money personality inside you. Now, here is an advanced secret that most people never talk about. If you want not only income but also peace, stability, and family comfort, you can combine number 8 with number 6. Number 6 represents balance, emotional security, and supportive energy. When 6 and 8 come together, they create financial growth without stress and success without loneliness. You can write 68 or 86 once on the same paper if you want long-term wealth with mental peace. If you want this balanced life, comment 68 in the comments now. However, remember one rule: never write negative words, debts, losses, or worries on this paper, because whatever you focus on grows stronger in your life. Your attention is your power. If you agree with this truth, comment focus equals power. Another extremely important habit is respecting your wallet. Your wallet is like the house of your money. If it is dirty, torn, overloaded with useless receipts, expired bills, and unnecessary cards, it sends a message of disorder to your subconscious mind. That is why many successful people keep their wallets clean, organized, and simple. Remove old papers every week. Arrange your notes properly. Never keep your wallet empty for long, even if you have little money. Keep it neat and respectful. This shows self-worth and financial discipline. If you promise to respect your wallet from today, comment "I respect money." Also, avoid keeping photos of sad moments, hospital bills, legal papers, or negative memories in your wallet, because they carry emotional weight that blocks positive energy. Instead, keep a small positive quote, a lucky symbol, or a written goal that reminds you why you want to become financially strong. If you have a big financial dream, comment "My time is coming." Now let me share something personal with you. There was a time when I used to earn, but I was always worried about money. No matter how much I worked, savings never stayed. I felt insecure and stressed. When I started practicing small energy habits like this, I noticed slow but steady improvement. First, my expenses reduced. Then, small extra income started coming. Then, better opportunities appeared. Then, confidence grew. It did not happen overnight, but it happened naturally. This taught me that consistency is more powerful than luck. If you are ready to stay consistent for 60 days, comment 60 days challenge. Try this method sincerely without mocking it, without doubting it daily, and without quitting halfway. You will definitely notice positive changes, either in income, savings, confidence, decision-making, or peace of mind. And remember, real wealth is not only about money in hand, but also about control over life and freedom of choices. Now tell me in the comments, are you ready to respect money and attract continuous abundance into your life? If this video helped you understand the power of numbers and mindset, hit the like button right now to support this channel. Share this video with someone who is struggling financially, because this small habit might change their life. And don't forget to subscribe to Zodiac Sign Revealed for more powerful numerology, wealth, and destiny secrets, because your financial journey is just getting started. Remember, every small positive step you take today builds a stronger and more secure tomorrow, and when you stay consistent with the right mindset and actions, success naturally begins to follow you. Believe in yourself, trust the process, and keep moving forward with confidence and faith in your own potential.